Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the full onboarding process in Cognizant. Guys, I got too many questions regarding this onboarding process, like what are the documents required in the onboarding and whether the onboarding is virtual or physical, and what are the questions they will going to ask in the meeting, and many more questions regarding this onboarding. So I also cover various queries at the end of these videos, like OB pass is not generated yet and onboarding link not came but your onboarding pass is generated. What if your onboarding pass is not generated before your date of joining, and what is your onboarding pass location is final or it is not final? So I'm going to discuss all your queries at the end of these videos, but before that I hope that you all get your onboarding pass. So let's begin. So guys, coming to your first question, that what are the documents required in the onboarding process? Since the onboarding will going to take place only in virtual mode, so you have no need to require any documents. Okay, so coming to your next question, that whether the onboarding should be in virtual mode or it is in physical mode. So due to current pandemic situation, currently it is going to be in virtual mode. For that you will receive an email with the link to join the meeting in which you have to be onboarded. Okay, so coming to the next question, that is what are the questions they will going to ask in the meeting. Okay, so once your onboarding pass is generated, then after some time you will receive an onboarding mail, okay, from Gency OB support team, in which your Microsoft Teams link is mentioned, along with that your times to join the meeting. Okay, so once you join that meeting by clicking on the link that is provided in your email, then you enter the meeting. After that you will see that almost there are 300 to 400 members joined in the meeting. So, and along with that one panel member is there, and he or she may be announcing your name, and once your name is called, then you have to answer some questions that is already mentioned in the chat box. So what are the questions that mentioned in the chat box? So these are all the questions that is mentioned. That is your candidate ID. So you have to tell that my candidate ID is this and my full name is this. So you have done any internship in Cognizant or not? So if you have done any internship in Cognizant, then you have to tell that yes, I have done internship in Cognizant and my employee ID is this. And after that you have to say that yes, I am staying in India, or if you are staying outside of India, then you say no, I am staying outside of India. Okay, so after that you have to tell that if there is any backlogs or not. So you have to tell about your backlogs. If it is there, then you have to tell that yes, there is almost one backlog, or if it is not, so tell that no any backlogs is there. So after that your year of passing, then your overall percentage, or you can see that your CGP also, that my CGPA is 8.3 or 9.6 or something else. Okay, and if you want to say your percentage, then you can say percentage also. Okay, and at last you have to say that if your any semester exam pending, so if any semester exam is pending, so you have to say yes, I have one semester exam pending or 2 semester of exam pending. If there is no semester of exam pending, so you have to say no, my I have no any semester exam pending, I have completed all the semester. Okay, so these all are the questions that will going to ask in the onboarding process. Okay, so now coming to your queries part. So most of you are asking that your onboarding pass is not yet generated. So see guys, if you have completed your background verification and your pre-joining formalities, then you will receive your date of joining. So once you will receive your date of joining, then your onboarding pass will be generated within 3 days before your date of joining. So suppose if your date of joining with Cognizant is 6th of January, okay, so you will receive your onboarding pass within 3 days, that is from 2nd of Jan to 5th of Jan. okay, till evening. So once you will receive your onboarding pass, so your this portal will look like something this, that is your day one is turns into completed status. And there is one more task added in your pre-joining formalities, that is your onboarding pass. Okay, so see, in this section you have to just click on that submit button, and once you clicked on that submit button, you will able to see that your onboarding pass, and in that your location is mentioned, your office location is mentioned. So previously you have a total of 18 tasks in the pre-joining formalities. Now after receiving your onboarding pass, your total tasks now become 19. So and guys, one thing remember that most of you are asking that I am clicking that on the submit button, but it will not get submitted. So see, if it is not get submitted, it will be remain as it is. Okay, don't worry, it will not get submitted. Only just you have to click on that submit button and check your onboarding pass. Okay, I hope that it is clear to you. So now coming to the next query, that is your onboarding pass is generated but your onboarding link is not yet generated. See guys, if you have get your onboarding pass, okay, so don't need to worry. Actually your onboarding link will be generated a days before your date of joining. Okay, so if someone might not receive the link, so don't worry, you will receive at till the end of that previous day of the date of joining. Okay, suppose if you have your date of joining is 16th of Jan, then you will receive your onboarding link till 15th, or it may be possible that you will receive the link at the on the date of joining itself. Okay, so don't worry. After that someone is also asking that what if your onboarding pass is not generated before your date of joining. So guys, see, due to some technical issue, okay, so you may not receive your onboarding link due to some technical issue. So don't worry, your offer will not get cancelled or revoked. Okay, it might be due to some network issue or some technical issue. So you will receive your next date of joining in the further working days of the Cognizant. Okay, so don't worry, you will receive your date of joining. Okay, now your fourth query is that the onboarding pass location is final or not. So guys, see, Cognizant will give the location according to your preference. Okay, so onboarding pass location is, yes, it is final, but it depends as the current pandemic situation is not in our hand. So it may depends if you want to ask for any changes in there, what we can say, a location, then you can ask to the GenCOP support team that or your once you join that Cognizant, then you can reach to your POC, that is point of contact, or your manager, okay, for a location change. And if they not accept your location change, then you will be your final location will be that is your onboarding pass will be final. Okay, so these all are the queries that I get most. Okay, so if you have any further queries regarding this onboarding process, you can reach out to us. And if you didn't join our Telegram discussion group, then link is in the description box. Please have a look at that link. Okay, so till then, thank you. We will meet you in the next video.